So hello everyone. Right away, I'm going to explain like how to access your classes. So your mentor, you have already got a message that for offer letter, say hello to so and so mentor. After messaging him, he will add you to our CODTECH Learning LMS platform. So he will send like this message. You can see above message. You can see the message from the mentor that he is saying email address, he given email address and our password, LMS link also, and also please visit the provider link, log in using the given credentials and navigate to the My Learning section on the website to access your classes. You can also download your offer letter from the My Learning section located below your enrolled courses. So now I am going to, initially I will copy the LMS link and I go to any browser. You can open any other browser and you can see that you have to paste that and click enter. After clicking in the enter button, you can see our CODTECH learning platform. You can see our CODTECH platform here itself. So you can click on the login button. After clicking on the login button, you can see sign in option with the email address and password. Already your mentor forwarded the email. Just copy the email. After that, paste the mail here and click enter the password that he given to you. Click on remember me for future reference. After clicking on that, you can sign in. So let me check. See, myself, I got login. You can see my profile payment credit sign out here itself. And you see here, you can see above near to the CODTECH Learning courses, quizzes and My Learning. Always click on the My Learning platform. After that, you can see that ignore this 3 months, 4 months, how many months it may be. You don't worry about that. How many months you enroll, that many months only it will work. Okay, don't worry about whatever showing here. So you can directly download your offer letter. So see this is my offer letter downloaded here. You can also check that my name, machine learning, CODTECH IT solution, and I enrolled for 2 months. That's why it is showing 2 months. If you enroll for 3, 6, how many months you enroll, that many months it will show here. So you can also see the intern ID and also again going back to my learning. After going to back, click on the continue learning. So after clicking on the continue learning, you can access all the classes that are available for you. See here, section 1 ML theory, everything is available, and section 2 ML lab. You can click on the classes and you can start learning. Every major company. So this is the thing to access your LMS platform in our company. So you will get certificate end of the section. Like once you completed all classes, the certificate will be generated automatically to you. If you face any problem also, you can find admins in your WhatsApp group. You can message them. They will help you to get the certificate itself. So thank you for the section and welcome to CODTECH Learning. And I hope I want to like also share one more thing also to you that in this company we are also introducing a share option like referral program. So if you refer anything to anyone, see here is the referral option. If you click on the share button, you can see you can copy our website and you can also uh, copy the referral code. This is your particular referral code. After you have to share to your friends. When your friend is going to enroll, ask him to enter. For suppose like this, if he is enrolling for Python full stack development, it's showing 899 for 3 months. So while entering, ask him to enter the referral code here and ask him to enroll now itself in the website. Then you will earn 50% of payment, like 450 rupees will be added into your account. You can also check your payments after referral. You can check your payments here itself, like credit balance, credit ends. Once you payment, like you can see how many credits you earn. They based on that. If you want to redeem them, you can see also redeem credits. You have to enter your bank details and click on the redeem button to get your referral payment direct itself into your account. So if you are interested to earn money also, you can use this referral option. And if you face any problems throughout the course, we are already given a AI assistant for 24 by 7. See, you can see, I am example, I'm asking that I don't know how much for the 2 plus 3. See, now I clicked it. This AI assistant will give the answer file. So throughout any domain for any person, if you find if you find hard to get any coding or any code, you can directly access our AI assistant. Our AI robot will answer to you, help to get solve your issues or projects, or if you didn't understand anything also, our AI assistant will assist you right away. So this is the thing, and thank you everyone. I am ending this section. Uh, like Wait a minute more. I'm going to stop share button. Stop share. Now I'm ending.